iCloud Drive not syncing. How to solve iCloud sync issues. Having problems getting iCloud to sync your data between systems? You're not alone. Many developers have expressed their frustration with iCloud problems since its introduction. Fortunately, there are many fixes you can try to get your macOS and iOS apps syncing with Apple's servers. Don't be afraid to try them all if the first few don't work out. iCloud can take some time to kick in when you make a change. According to some reports, this can be up to 10 minutes. You might find that your problem resolves itself with a bit of patience. But while you're at it, you can also try restarting all affected devices. You also may want to plug your device in. Sometimes we find that photos won't sync to iCloud until the phone is charging. It might sound obvious, but if you're not using the same iCloud account on both devices, then they'll never sync correctly. Head to Settings greater than on iOS or System Preferences greater than Apple ID on macOS and check which account is currently associated with the device. Every services experiences downtime at some point. While most planned outages occur at night when you're asleep, catastrophic failure or human error can sometimes bring even the most reliable services down. To check Apple's current iCloud status, head to Apple's System Status page and look for the green dots. Any ongoing issues should appear at the bottom of the screen. There are some elements you can change in your settings, iOS, or System Preferences, macOS, in order to remedy apps that won't sync. On your iOS device, head to Settings greater than iCloud and make sure the app you want to sync is listed and enabled. You can also try toggling this off and back on to restart the sync process. Apps that have access to iCloud Drive on macOS will appear under System Preferences greater than Apple ID greater than iCloud. Do you have trouble syncing to iCloud while on mobile data, but not on Wi-Fi? You may have disabled cellular access for some apps. Head to Settings greater than Cellular and scroll down to find a list of apps on your phone. Any apps that have their slider turned off will only work on Wi-Fi. Try enabling data access for any apps that you want to sync all the time. But note this may increase your data usage. You can run into a lot of problems when your iPhone's date and time aren't current. Many apps will simply refuse to connect to the internet at all. In order to avoid these problems, you can set the time to automatically update, which will keep your devices in sync and avoid these issues. On iOS, head to Settings greater than General greater than Date and Time greater than Set automatically. On macOS, you can do this from System Preferences greater than Date and Time greater than Time Zone. For apps that allow you to customize which folder you use to store data, ensure that the paths match up in both instances. You should make sure that your various iOS and macOS apps are looking for data in the same location. If applicable, none of the above has helped and your device won't access or sync iCloud data at all. You might want to take a stronger step and reset your phone to clear up any lingering issues. Before you do so, you should back up your phone. Wondering how to back up your iPhone? Here's our simple guide to backing up your iPhone using either iCloud or iTunes. After backing up, reset the device using the Restore option in iTunes, or Finder on macOS Catalina and newer, and then restore the backup you made when you set it up again. Once you're finished, your device will be near identical to how you started. Except you'll need to authorize your various accounts again. If you've got an app that uses data syncing to transfer between different platforms, there's a good chance the developer offers help documentation to help you overcome your issues. Much of the time, developers can pinpoint exact files and folders you should delete in order to solve your issue. A few apps that include specific guides to solving iCloud issues include Day 1, 1Password, and Ulysses. Search online for specific help if your issue lies with another app. Many applications give you a choice of whether or not to use iCloud. If you can avoid using it, you'll sidestep many of the issues that have plagued the service. For example, apps like Day 1 and 1Password both allow you to use Dropbox. Plus, third-party cloud storage solutions often provide you with more space and less hassle. And don't worry, you can still use other iCloud features, like Find My iPhone and Email. Have you changed the way you think about cloud storage? The popular options of Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive have been joined by others. We help you answer which cloud storage service should you use. Hopefully, these tips helped you clear up your iCloud Drive issues. While iCloud isn't perfect, its integration with Apple platforms make it the de facto choice for many users. Now you can enjoy it as Apple intended. Is iCloud not working? Here's what to do when you can't sign into iCloud, see an error, or have other common iCloud issues. Text source, makeuseof.com.